We're getting the floor joists on for this deck, and originally I was just going to do them all like this, overlapping, because the spans are just a little more than 8 feet, and they had to be that way for a bunch of different reasons. But because they were a little more than 8 feet, 8-footers obviously wouldn't work for the floor joists, so I had to use 10-footers. So I was just going to overlap them all, but then I thought, hey, I'm going to need a whole bunch of these little chunks to use as bridging in between all the joists. So that would work good. And the added bonus is, because I'm sticking them together like that, the joists will be all in line, and I won't have issues when I'm putting the plywood on. So I got all 3 posts up, and then I ran a demo stud, or demo joist you could call it, across there and blocked it up to the right height so that that's level, and then measured down from the top of the joist down how the thickness of what my beam across is going to be, and marked it. And then I measured from the floor up to that mark, and then made an identical mark on that post. And then I ran a chalk line across from that mark to that mark to get that mark. And then I've since drawn around it with the marker, but hopefully that should all come out level. Now it's time to cut those posts off at those marks. Sorry I haven't been filming more, but it's been raining all day here. Can't really see it on the camera, but yeah, I didn't really want to have my phone sitting out in the rain, but we're making progress. See, I got the bridging going on here. We've just got a little bit more to go. But yeah, like I was saying in the last video, bridging or strapping is really important because it prevents all that deflection of the joists and all that bad stuff. So yeah, it's surprising how much a little bit of bridging actually makes a difference. There, we're getting the posts in for the roof over the north part now. Got them all braced and centered. Now put up a ledger board for the rafters.